In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open Play Store and get free app code files by Google Developer. When it's ready, open it and tap on Continue in the pop-up. Then select Allow and click on gray switcher next to Allow Permission. Finally, select Clean at the bottom left corner and choose Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!